You see that gutter which has dropped away from the roof? This actually happens quite a bit on flat roofs. Just going to show you quickly how to pin that back up. We've got to do, this one seems to have happened pretty much all the way around, so we'll be pinning it up front and back. This is just a little add-on that the people are looking to spruce up a little bit. We got the mother-in-law coming around and they will just want to put her in it as a spare room, so I'll show you how we do that. Just quickly, what you can see there is the way they do these. So they do these gutters and then they rivet it to the sheets up here with rivets, and what's happened is the rivets have failed and this lip has dropped away, so we're literally just pulling it up and re-riveting it all in place, all the way around, and that is how they attach it. So I just go around and rivet every single one. Now in some cases we may use screws which are a bit more aggressive and they hold a little bit better, so I brought my trusty assistant down there to hold up one corner as we go across and do it, because we've got to try and clip it up obviously. So let's get to it. Go around and do them all now. Okay, you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, so quickly you can see there, we've just put rivets through the sheets into the back of this gutter. This gutter here, there's a little lip on it. Don't think you can see it, but you should have seen it when I was showing you it down. There's a little flat lip that goes through there, so that pulls it up hard against the sheet. And if you have a look at the front here, we actually have it lipped slightly over the sheet. So it's not going to drop. Look, I don't like these gutters, never have. They don't give you enough room to get in and clean. And if you get any leaks in your miters, it's a major drama. We've had to kind of assume that the miters are working because the owners just asked us to lift it up. That one clearly wasn't, so we fixed it. And the young fella there, he's just going to keep cleaning the silicone off the old rivets, and we're just going around doing every single one until we've pulled it all back and up. That's how you do these. So it's a pretty easy job. Maybe an hour and a half, 2 minutes. So it might take you a little bit longer just to get the hang of it, but yeah, we've been asked to fix it. It's not a big job, so that's why I'm showing you. So if you've got gutters that are drooping on a flat roof like this, you know how to fix it rather than having to call someone out, pay a lot of money. Okay, now I know this one has moved, so we have to try and silicon that up, which is going to be a little bit of a nightmare actually, so I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, so every now and then you'll get a rivet that doesn't take, and these ones have been pretty badly, the holes are getting a bit bigger, so what I do is I use one of these screws. This is a 30mm Tech screw, and it's got a wood thread. I get the wood thread because it's more aggressive. It holds things a bit better with a Neo, which will give it a bit of waterproofing. And I'm literally, again, just drilling it through and taking the back edge of that gutter. So if we're doing it, you'll see, and I'll show you these two afterwards. Okay, so put that down. So you can see, like, these have already had 2 rivets in. They've already split. So I've gone with the bigger heads to hold it a bit firmer, and we'll clean that off and give that a silicone as well, just to make sure. Okay, so there he is. It's all pinned back up, nice and level. You can see there's no drop in that. Got the sides up, and as we work our way around, all the gutters are up now. Pinned back up, so they should take the rain with no problems. If you like this, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video.